Okay, so this is the first video, and it's just going to explain about continuous random variables. Now, what I've got here is I've got a graph of this function. So let me just explain what this function is. Here, I've got fx, and I've got a function k times this, where x is between 3 and 5. And this bit here, which says 0 otherwise, that just means that it doesn't exist elsewhere. And this is a continuous probability function, which means if it's probability that this part in here, this blue part, has an area of 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out this thing here, and I'm going to show how I can get the k value first of all. So I'm going to take k and I'm going to integrate 1 plus x minus 3 squared dx. And if I put in these values of 5 and 3, this thing here equals 1, simply because this is the probability and the area must be 1. So if we now expand this bracket, it becomes x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus the 1 here, making it 10, it will equal 1. I'm going to use my calculator to find this. I don't want to particularly integrate that and put the values of 5 and 3 in. So it's a good lesson. And you, by the way, you need to know how to integrate before you move on to this. So I need to work this out just from the run menu here. I'm going to go into the math, F6, and get this integral sign up. And I'm going to get x squared minus 6x plus 10. And I'm going to put these values in here, 3 and 5. And that gives me 14 over 3. So k times the integral value, which was 14 over 3, and it should be 1. So k must be 3 over 14. So we're going to use this whole thing in the next 3 videos to find the mean and the mode in the next, the median and the mode in the next video. And then the next one, we're going to do the mean and the variance. The last one, we're going to do a probability question with it. But that's the first concept, just finding or using the concept that this is equal to 1.